Hi, my name is Frank Papa, and I'm an attorney with the law office of Robert M. Geller. Just a moment to speak to you about how medical damages and lost wages are covered in an automobile accident. But if you are considering seeing an attorney about an injury that you may have suffered, please feel free to give us a call, as we are happy to sit down with you in a free consultation to discuss your options in regard to that injury. So a lot of my clients ask, Mr. Papa, how are my lost wages covered in an automobile accident? Or how are my medical damages and my medical bills paid in an automobile accident? Well, personal injury protection insurance, which is required by law, requires a minimum of $10,000 in coverage for each licensed driver. And that insurance will pay 80% of your medical treatment, and it will pay 60% of your lost wages. Now, before PIP will take effect, you must see a medical doctor within 14 days of the accident. This is very important. This was a law change that occurred approximately 5 years ago, and it now requires that if you do not see a doctor within 14 days, you have no right to receive the benefits of that personal injury protection insurance that you paid for many, many years prior. So it's very important that you see a doctor immediately. That doctor will diagnose what's called an emergency medical condition, meaning that you are in need of treatment, and they will then refer you for further treatment. Often in an automobile case, doctors exhaust the PIP with their treatment, depending on the injury, and there could be balances that are remaining. Most good doctors will continue to treat you on what's called a letter of protection, which is a letter that we give to the doctor that tells them it will protect their services out of the recovery of the lawsuit. We will then, at the end of the lawsuit, attempt to negotiate those bills for you and pay your doctors for their good treatment. If you are considering an attorney for an injury that you may have suffered, please feel free to give us a call at the law offices of Robert M. Geller, as we're happy to sit down with you in a free consultation to discuss the potential case. Thank you very much for listening.